Every word you say, make it meaningful. Every step you take, let it be graceful. Every line you type, carry thoughtfulness. Every move you make, rooted in peacefulness. Let your voice rise like incense in the air, gentle, true, with a purpose rare. Let your walk be like beads of prayer, with awareness flowing everywhere. Where there is love, there is peace. Where hearts unite, all hatred cease. Why choose war when we can heal? Our forefathers fought, now let us feel. They were once, but now it's us, to break the chain, to rise from dust. We are one race, the humankind. Let's not leave our souls behind. Live not just to breathe, but to awaken. Not for show, but truth unshaken. Not to hoard, but hands to give. For the beauty lies in how we live. Don't walk for applause, walk for the earth. Let silence speak your inner worth. Return within, not chase the storm. The path is peace, not power's form. No more violence, no more cries. We're too wise now to live in lies. They fought with fire they didn't know, but we have hearts that light and grow. Ignorance once tore us apart, now let awareness warm each heart. We're not they, not I, not them. We are a family, say it again. Where there is love, there is peace. Where hearts unite, all hatred cease. Why choose war when we can heal? Our forefathers fought, now let us feel. Let's share respect, let's sow the light. No need to prove, no need to fight. We're one world spinning under stars. Let's erase the walls and heal the scars. Once we were divided, now let's become us. Let love be louder than fear. Let peace begin not out there, but here, together, we can walk in peace.